Encapsulation technology is an interim process that uses agitation and minimum amounts of moisture to give you a quick, interim appearance improvement for places where your carpet needs attention. Let's take a look at how encapsulation is done. First and foremost, thoroughly vacuum the area to be encapsulated. Apply a CRI-approved encapsulating agent according to the product label directions. This is typically done by spraying the encapsulant product on the surface of the carpet. Then, immediately agitate it into the carpet pile, making sure the spray is still moist. The preferred method of agitation is with counter-rotating brush equipment. Once the spray is dried, normally in 20 to 30 minutes, a final vacuuming should be done. The benefit of this approach is that the counter-rotating brushes work in the cleaning solution and help lift the pile, which improves the surface appearance of the carpet. Remember that the encapsulation technology process is not a substitute for periodic deep cleaning by hot water extraction, and MAC recommends high-performance hot water extraction after every 3 to 4 encapsulations. MAC does not recommend using the bonnet method. The problem is, the bonnet only absorbs dirt on the surface, without any extraction of deeper soil. And the bonnet can leave the cleaning agent in the carpet, where it attracts even more dirt. Even worse, a vigorously spinning bonnet can damage the surface of your carpet. So, follow MAC's advice and say no to bonnets.